throttle's really low. And when I hit the gas, it's really choppy. Like it's only running off of 4 cylinders. And the check engine light flashes. It just runs real rough. Yeah, it's running really weird. What the hell is going on with this thing? What the fuck? Everything else reads normal. Voltage, oil pressure, temperature. Yeah, it's not running right. There's something going on. Something wrong. And that was without the heater on, too. It was, you know, I had the heater on because I'm cold, but I didn't have the heater on when I started doing that, you know. And it just does it for no reason. It'll do it when it's cold. It'll do it when it's warm. The temperature doesn't really have anything to do with it. It does it after not driving it for a day. It does it after being turned off for 5 minutes. It really likes to do it when I'm on the trail and I'm driving it hard, and then I stop for 5 minutes, and then I get back in and start it up, and then it does what you just saw, typically. And it doesn't, I guess it's not typical. It doesn't happen that much, but it still happens, and then my check engine light comes on, and then that's a smog issue, you know. And it passes smog. I just smogged it. And then, like, 2 weeks after I smogged it, my check engine light comes on. And it's like, you know, hello, I thought I fixed that. I did the whole seafoam, you know, I fixed all the leaks, changed all the stuff, new oil pump, new gaskets, everything. And, you know, I cleaned out the throttle body, put a new ICM on there. All the little modules on the intake, I changed them all out. Everything's new. Sorry, tired. Everything's new on this thing. Everything, all the sensors, everything is new. You open up the hood and you look at it and you're like, yeah, everything's new. But I mean, it's just something that it's always done. And like I said, I thought I fixed it. It didn't do it for a really long time. And then I finally got it running good. The check engine light was off. Everything was A-okay. I went, got a smog test, passed, and registered, and I was like, okay, cool. That's a huge thing that I don't have to worry about anymore. And lo and behold, I guess I was wrong. So don't know if anyone knows what the problem is. Please help me identify it, because I just don't want that damn check engine light on anymore. It's really annoying. And I don't like the whole choppiness thing, and when I'm off-roading and stuff, it's just a pain in the butt. So, anyone know what's going on with this thing? Please let me know. Any thoughts, any comments? Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.